Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about how you can start investing in the stock market if you are in the Philippines. Currently, we will be using Gcash for this, so make sure to listen and learn. All right, so here on the main interface of Gcash, as you can see here, we have what we call GInvest. And GInvest has a lot of platforms available for you to start investing. For example, here we have what we call G Funds. So G Funds shows a lot of companies that you can invest in. It shows how much you have invested. At the same time, it helps you control your appetite for investing. So whether you're an moderate investor, you're an aggressive investor, or you're a passive investor, it shows it here. And at the same time, it also shows companies that you can invest in, and you can invest in companies or government agencies for as low as 50 pesos or $8. And if we go back now to the main interface, we can see here another option is G Stocks PH. But for this one, you need to be approved. So you have to send an approval out, and usually it takes around 24 hours for it to be approved. There is an upcoming feature called G Bonds. And another interesting is they have what we call as G Crypto, where you can buy and sell and send and receive crypto on Gcash. And the best part about this is they have a learning hub where you can learn how to invest and save your finances at the same time. So this is a very good app. Gcash is a very good app if you're starting out as an investor. You get to learn a lot. At the same time, you get to use legitimate features as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.